It's fucking fishing ground. Starting the day off with this Worcester. We've got a leak and condensate straight on it to start with, and then we're going to get in and service it. We're going to check that the flue's sealed, which it is. It's heavy and mucky. Everything else looks kind of alright. A bit of dust and grime. Underneath. The bottle air vent looks like it's been leaking quite badly. You can just get in and shut that off. Just stop it doing that. Right, so that's your max setting for your gas valve. Give me the analyzer. Show the camera. So we've got the gas valve adjusted here. Boom. CO2 right down, ratio right down. Bob's your uncle, fan is your aunt. Completed it, mate. So we've adjusted the gas valve on low, adjusted it in high. Now we're just going to put it back into low mode and make sure this drops down. And then we'll put it back into high and double check that it's in high and it's all perfect. This is how you get a Worcester. This one, classic, Green Star Classic, into high fire mode. So you hold this in for 5 to 10 seconds. It'll flash here. You'll get 3 lines. That's maximum. Then you can turn this dial down and it'll go to 1 line and that'll get you your minimum. Easy peasy.
So,
you're not going to put a lid in it? There you go. Nice wee 5-star cappuccino. He's got a hot chocolate. For the city plumbing, and I don't even know where I am, but if anybody recognises it, nice guys in there. So in this bad boy we've got the toilet, it won't stop running, so we're going to need to pop the button off, which is basically you need to put your finger in and scoop up the front of the lid and then unscrew that wee screw there. Hell man. Plenty to unscrew it. Oh my, how long is this screw? Right, we're down. It's actual non-stop flashing light. Can you see this bit here? It's disconnected off the hair. What's this? Shit. See when you know? You know. I'll show you what it sits. Just on like a wee seating in between these. This bit here. You see that? I put it on that and it stopped, but I've now put it in here and it's fixed it. Now I just need to adjust it. Oops, wrong way. So Scott's going to adjust it to that wee line. There we go. Take it down a wee bit more. There you go, perfect. Then you just get a wee flush test. Lovely. So now this is back in like this. Screw that in. Right. That just pops onto there.
You home?
Right. My god, you can't find the hole. Short.
That's what she said.
Right, there we go.
Same on that side.
Get a flush. Lovely. Right, that's us done our jobs in Glasgow. East Kilbride. We're now on the way to Edinburgh. Edinburgh! Edinburgh! And we've got about 7 jobs in Edinburgh too. So, we're an hour and 6 minutes away from Edinburgh. Brilliant. A nice wee gas safety service to do. Sleeping baby, please don't ring the bell. Oops, shit. I'm fucking locked in the toilet. Scott! Scott! I'm locked in the toilet, can you open for the outside please? Mate, go and just... So next up, we've got a gas safety on this Alpha, right? So I'm just going to mainly run you through if there's any problems. Pressure's at 0, that's also a problem. The flue, wow, goes up through that void. Oh wow, fantastic. With a bit of wood across it for that great access. We're looking for a seal alarm, it's bonded. I don't see a seal alarm. The inside, flue seal looks, I see a wee bit of rust, hang on mate. See a wee bit of rusting. Let's get that tested. And then, looks like either a leak over here, if you can see that. Try and find out where that's coming from. I'm going to block this overflow, keep that running, and I'm going to plunge this. Oops. No, you need. That's a move in there, it's not in the ditch. Well, right, you're actual wilder anyway. So that one seems to be. Where'd it go? Right, so we're on to Big Pappy. Scott says he wants to do the action. What does this say? Apparently 14% of people masturbate at their own work.
There's no less there.
See what I'd missed?
Okay.
Listen to that. Right, we're locked and loaded, but looks like the penis pump 5000. Number 4, please. So we're going to put that on. So we have a Worcester bush that's got a boiler issue, apparently. Oh.
Nice, okay.
Well, very nice. Take that back. Right, so this one, basically, the customer doesn't know how to work our Bosch controls. But they want us to sort it, but the customer's not here for me to go through it. So I feel like that was kind of a small bit of a waste. So next up we have this Valiant Turbomax, which is losing pressure every day, which is the overflow here. If you look down for the PRV, you can see the staining where it's been dripping. So my money's on the expansion vessel being flat, which it was. We're going to take out these crusty old socks from behind the vessel. It's actually never been charged. So to drain this down, it looks like a wee drain point here. You open that up, connect my hose and bucket on it, and get the vessel drained. Can't even lie to that. Ow! See when you think things are going to go straight forward and then they didn't? God damn it.
Hard to believe, aye.
So we've got a rigging vessel pump here. Scotty boy's getting the wee stupid bit off because it's never been off and it's solid. So we're both struggling. We'll get this recharged. Scott just didn't have the strength to get it. Boom. There she's there. Now I will say these are always a wrestle to get on, especially when you've got fat fingers. You see we've connected the vessel on and then it's actually draining the rest of whatever's in the pipework into the bucket. And big shout out to this manufacturer of this bedside drawer because it's taking my weight. Pump it. Pump the water out the system. Look at the system water. Black. Right. We're up in pressure. I've put it a wee bit higher than I normally would because I'm going to need to disconnect this off the shredder and it's going to let a wee bit of air out. And it's going to be a wee bit of a pain. I normally leave this 5-10 minutes to make sure it's holding pressure, which it is, no problem. Then spray some LDF on that, or you can put some lube on it. It'll stop it leaking and passing air. Job done. It's now after 5 o'clock. It's actual 20 past 5. We're still in the middle of fucking Edinburgh. Stop vaping, man. And we're needing this one to be an absolute scoosher because we've got an easy 20 minutes drive home. So, first up, I would just stand on it, mate.
You can stand it, that's what it does it.
Oh, squirting at you. Oh, that's failed big time. Right, so this whole thing needs to come out. The shower isn't mixing hot and cold properly, so we need a new one of them. But what we need is a make and model, and this is absolutely no got a make and model. Yeah.
Non-ensuite bathroom.
So, shower pump sporadically comes on, like sometimes at 3 in the morning and stuff like that.
It comes on pretty much every few hours.
But the pump's so far away from the actual cylinder, which is, so we'll go towards the cylinder, which is in here. And so basically what it's going to do is it goes up and it's just going to drag in air because there's neither a Surrey flange on or anything. They would have been as well as converting the whole hot water side rather than just individually doing that bathroom, I think, or both bathrooms, which was quite a stupid idea for them.